This is a luxury copy of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The quality of these fakes is honestly getting scary. Right now, they are better than ever. Even the quality of the packaging cardboard is impressive. Unfortunately, checking the IMEI is no longer reliable. The copy shows up as an original device on Apple's website, including the correct phone color. One thing that always gives away the fake is the protective insert on the power button, designed to prevent the phone from turning on during shipping. The cable included in the box is stiff while the original Apple cable is much softer. Although visually the color looks identical, the frame is made from aluminum, and without a direct comparison, the darker side rails are the main detail that looks slightly off. Of course, the back is plastic instead of real glass, and there are no MagSafe magnets. What surprised me the most is that the fake even has camera control, with working touch controls. The phone actually feels pretty nice in the hand. What really exposes the copy are the cameras. There is only one real sensor, while the other two are fake modules. When compared side by side with the original, the colors look very different. The fake has a much warmer, bronze-like tint, but without comparison, it's hard to notice. The phone runs Android with an iOS-style launcher inspired by liquid glass. The processor is still weak, but noticeably better than in older fake models. The screen bezels are thicker, and the display quality, colors, and brightness are still poor. Inside the system, you can find the Google Play Store, along with some Apple-style widgets. Since there is only one real camera, the photo quality remains bad. Overall, for $150, this is actually a very good replica, and it's completely usable as a daily phone. For people who want an iPhone but simply can't afford one, this is exactly the kind of device they would choose.